friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you love the charm of old things, the warmth of rustic spaces, and that cozy, lived-in look, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into one of our favorite styles, vintage farmhouse decor. I am sharing simple tips and creative ideas to help you bring timeless beauty and rustic charm into your own home. From weathered wood and antique finds to cozy textures and farmhouse favorites, you are going to love this. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's style your space with heart. Incorporate vintage textiles. Use grain-shaped pillows, crocheted toiles, lace curtains, or antique quilts. Stick to neutral or faded colors to keep it cohesive. Add farmhouse-style lighting. Look for old lantern candelights, messenger sconces, or lantern-style pendant lights. Decorate with reclaimed wood. Install a reclaimed wood accent wall or use it in shelving or signs. Wood with knots, nail holes, or imperfections tells a story. Display antique finds. Think old books, animal pictures, washboards, or vintage signs. Group smaller items in trays, crates, or open shelving to keep it tidy. Bring in natural elements. Use cotton stems, dried lavender, eucalyptus, or fox greenery in rustic vases. Wooden bowls, oven baskets, and jute rugs add organic texture. Keep it cozy. Layer throw blankets, cushions, and rugs. Use warm lighting and soft fabrics to create that welcoming, homey feeling. Create a focal point. Make an old pine drawer, vintage mirror, or reclaimed wood headboard the centerpiece of a room. Use open shelving. Replace upper kitchen cabinets with rustic open shelves. Display vintage dishes, glass jars, or antique kitchen tools for a lived-in, charming look. Incorporate vintage clocks, large distressed wall clocks, or tabletop alarm clocks add a nostalgic touch and work well as statement pieces. Repurpose old items. Turn an old leather into a towel or blanket rack. Use vintage drawers as wall shelves. Repurpose an old door into a table or headboard. Layer rugs. Start with a neutral jute or seashell rug. Then layer a faded vintage pattern rug on top to add texture and warmth. Add breadboard or shiplap walls. Cover an accent wall or inner room in white painted shiplap or breadboard for an authentic farmhouse feel. Mix metals but keep it subtle. Use brushed nickel, oil-wrapped bronze, or antique brush finishes, sparingly for that aged look. Great in lighting, handles, or frames. Decorate with seasonal farmhouse accents. Swap out small decor seasonally, like cotton stems in spring, pumpkins in fall, or mini trees in winter, to keep it fresh and cozy. Use architectural salvages pieces. Decorate with old corbels, vintage shutters, columns, or reclaimed wood window frames as wall art or shelf brackets. Incorporate vintage-inspired hardware. Swap out modern knobs and handles for antique-style ones in porcelain, glass, or bronze to give cabinets and drawers a farmhouse upgrade. Hang a big rag or hookboard. Great for hanging baskets, straw hats, dried herbs, mugs, or linen aprons. Functional and pretty. Use galvanized metal accents, buckets, trays, planters, or trident stands. In galvanized metal, add the rustic firm touch. Display kitchen staples in style. Store flour, sugar, oats, or pasta in clear glass canisters with handwritten or painted farmhouse style labels. Use crates, baskets, and wire bins for storage. Those plastic containers are perfect for blankets, toys, pantry goods, or firewood, and they double as decor. Add a touch of chalkboard or blackboard paint. Paint a section of a wall or a framed board to leave notes, menus, or seasonal codes in farmhouse handwriting style. Add a skirt to your sink or furniture. Instead of cabinet doors, use a simple pleated fabric skirt under sinks or consoles for a classic farmhouse touch. Use candlelight or lanterns for ambience. Antique brush candlesticks, plastic lanterns, or hurricane jars filled with candles create cozy, low lighting. Lean, don't hang. Lean vintage frames, mirrors, or old drawers against the wall for a casual, layered farmhouse look. Bring in a farm table. Go for a large wooden table perfectly with turned legs and a distressed finish. Perfect for hosting or just displaying decor. Incorporate plate or striped drawers. Drape them on sofas, benches, or beds. Think cozy cabin mates farmhouse. Add a barn drawer. Replace a regular drawer with a sliding barn drawer, real wood or a wax version for big style impact. Use vintage suitcases or trunks. Stack them for use as a nightstand, coffee table, or entryway storage. Keep the walls light and airy. Stick to white, off-white, or soft grays to let vintage items stand out and reflect natural light beautifully. Personalize with Farmhouse signs. Make your own wooden signs with words like Farmhouse Kitchen, Welcome, or Home Sweet Home. Stand the edges for our own look. Layer rugs. Start with a neutral jute or seashell rug. Then layer a faded vintage pattern rug on top to add texture and warmth. Use open shelving. Replace upper kitchen cabinets with rustic open shelves. Thanks for watching the video.